Hello students, we are learning EVS subject lesson number 2, the plant fairy. We have learned up to page number 17. We start with page number 18. You can see that in the textbook, think and write. First is look for objects which have patterns of leaves and flowers on them in your house. Write their names. You just have to think that and you have to search for the patterns of leaves and flowers on the objects at your home. I have written some of example here: wall, bed sheet, plates, t-shirts. I can see that some of the patterns of leaves and flowers over there. Second, you must have seen many plants and trees. Write their names. I have written some of the examples which the plants and trees I have seen, like mango tree, neem tree, ashok tree, banyan tree, guava tree, rose plant, tulsi plant and banana plant. You can also write other than these names. Means if you have seen at your home, you can write their names also. This is just for your information, students. I have written these examples names. Next is, are there any plants that you have heard of but never seen? Write their names. I have written 4 for example: apple, almond, oak and pine. These are the trees which I have not seen. I have just heard its name. You can write more over there because you are a little child. You might not have seen so many plants and trees, so you can write more names also. Okay, children? Next is find and tell. Ask some older people if there were plants which they have seen when they were children but are not seen these days. Also ask them if there are many plants which can be seen these days but which were not seen earlier. These 2 question answers you have to discuss with your grandparents so that they can tell you better answers. Children, you have to discuss these 2 questions with your grandparents so that you will come to know the different names of the trees and plants. Next is friendship with a tree. Choose a tree near your school or house and make friendship with it. A lasting friendship. I have written here one of the example and one of the favorite fruit of mine, that is mango tree. Which tree is it? Ask some elders if you don't know. So I have written here the mango tree which I have chosen as my best friend. Next question. Will you like to give your friend a special name? Yes, I like to give a special name to my friend. What will you name it? I can give any name. For example, mango tree is there, so I can give as a pet name as a Maggu. Okay, it's my choice. You can give another name to another type of plants as you want. Now on page number 19, does the tree friend bear flowers or fruits? Which one? Mango tree bears fruits. How the leaves of the tree look like? Actually, for this you have to draw the leaves of a mango tree. Okay, for this way. Which animals live in the tree friend? Write their names. For example, squirrel can live, sparrows, then pigeons also can live on the tree. Next activity is fill the colors. Find out more about your tree friend and share it with others. And draw the picture of your tree friend in the box given below and color it. This part, students, you have to do it in your textbook. Draw it and color it. So students, this way we have finished lesson number 2, the plant fairy. Hard words and worksheet will be sending you soon. Till then, take care of yourself. Thank you so much.